Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this brilliant shine on my client here who is 100% natural. So my client comes to me every 2 to 3 weeks to get her hair shampooed and silk pressed and also treated and trimmed. So today we're going to be doing a shine booster conditioning treatment on her hair to help enhance her shine and give her that beautiful luster, all at the same time of adding some amazing conditioning properties to her hair. So I introduced this product in a previous video. This is our Shine Booster Conditioning Treatment. This treatment is a semi-permanent or temporary shine boosting conditioner where it helps to enhance the shine in the hair. It also leaves the hair looking and feeling healthier than before. And also at the same time, it works as a, we want to call it, when you say it in a pro format, an enhancer, because it's literally going to enhance whatever it touches in the hair. So no matter if you're natural, no matter if you're relaxed, if you already have color in your hair, or I guess you call it color treated. If you are salt and pepper, if you're just salt, it doesn't matter, you guys. This treatment is going to just add that luster on top of the hair and also condition or deep condition the hair all at the same time. So what I'm doing is I'm applying the Shine Booster Conditioning Treatment to her hair. Okay, this is not a service that will alter your curl pattern or damage the hair any further. It is literally going to glaze the hair and give the hair that appearance of it being even healthier than before. So this treatment can be used no matter if you have a Jerry curl, relaxer, natural. It does not matter. There is no discrimination in this product. There is no perfect client for this product. Everyone can use this product, okay? So once the treatment was completed, I went ahead and blow dried her hair out after she went under the dryer for about 20 minutes. So I did not put any other products on her hair other than our Hydra Strength leave-in conditioner. And now I'm just going to silk and curl her. So this is what we call a textured press. But I did not add any frizz tamer and shine serum to her hair. Our leave-in conditioner does have some heat protectant properties in it. So her hair is protected to an extent. And I always say to an extent because heat protectants only work up to a certain degree. So you guys keep that in mind. But I wanted you guys to see how her hair reacted to the shine treatment. Okay, so if you guys notice, I don't have any additional product on her hair. And all I'm doing is taking large sections and silk pressing / curling her all at the same time. But I want you guys to look at that luster in her hair, okay? This is what the Shine Boost Hair Conditioning Treatment does for the hair. Now, you can still add your heat protectant. There is no right or wrong way, okay? I just did not add the frizz tamer, which is our heat protectant, to her hair in this instant. And I did larger sections at the same time just to add another level of protection for her. But because I wanted you guys to see how shiny the hair is with no product on the hair. Normally, when a client has that shine or luster on their hair, it's normally because product has been added to the hair, giving it that shine and luster. Well, the difference here with the Shine Booster is I did not add any additional product because I wanted to showcase to you guys how shiny her hair really is without additional styling aids, okay? So as I said before, you can use your heat protectants. You can use your leave-in conditioners. You can do your protein treatments. You can do your relaxers. You can do whatever service you want to do to your hair and still get the shine boosting treatment. And it is going to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Give the hair that brilliant shine without you having to work extra hard or without you having to add a ton of product every single day to get that luster. Now, this treatment typically lasts anywhere between 2 and 4 weeks, and it comes in what we call a 4-ounce nozzle bottle. So there is a dispensing tip on the bottle for you to be able to go straight from the bottle to your hair. And I want you guys to also take note, when I was applying the treatment to her hair, I did not have any gloves on. If this was a chemical service that was damaging to the skin, the hair, or the hands, I would definitely have gloves on. In this case, I did not have any gloves on because the Shine Booster is a conditioner first and a shine booster second. So this is not something that is going to damage the hair any further than where you already are, if any. This is going to actually help the hair. It's going to help to fill in those gaps in the cuticle, what we call a filler in the pro world. So let me give you guys the right terms, because as you guys know, being a part of Elite Hair Care, you are considered a pro because we only offer professional product. And once again, the Shine Booster is typically something that you would not find in your regular hair store. This is something that most professionals will go into the pro store and purchase and add as a markup on your service, because they're adding a service to that actual day. So guess what? This is considered an additional service or a boosting service or an enhancement service to your traditional wash and go or whatever the case may be. Also, for my naturals, for those of you that don't use heat, this treatment still works for you. It's not heat activated. Heat just makes it appear even better, all right? But you are still able to utilize this to enhance that shine in your hair when you're doing your wash and goes or your twist outs. Now, guys, look at this hair, okay? I can't stress enough how much I love the Shine Booster conditioning treatment, because it leaves the hair with this oh so silky, beautiful, brilliant shine. I can't even think of other ways to describe it. And it also leaves the hair feeling absolutely amazing, right? So I am actually just going to wrap her up really quickly to kind of remove some of that curl or loosen some of the curl. And then you guys will be able to see the finished product. But as I was saying before, we are doing pre-sale of the Shine Booster Conditioning Treatment. If you used code SHINE, you will save on the actual product while it's in pre-sale, and they begin shipping as of February the 1st. But you guys, please comment down below. Tell me what you think. And just as an additional pro tip, I am doing the saran wrap method without the saran wrap. So literally, I wrapped her hair, put a processing cap on her head, used the diffuser to add heat to the hair all around. And I did this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that also works to loosen that curl pattern, but also leave the hair feeling nice and shiny. So you can also do this at home without saran wrap, and you'll see a heck of a difference without you having to wrap your head up and try to figure out how to do that. I just showed you an even easier pro way to do this. But as I said, you guys, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about the shine in her hair. I did not spray on any glossifiers on her hair or anything at this point. This is all Shine Booster Conditioning Treatment. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Once again, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. See you guys later.